Let's solve one previous question of combinatorics. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 2, question number 49. The number of distinct positive integral factor of 2014 is dash. During lecture, I already discussed a formula. So number of divisor or factor of n equals to a plus 1 multiplication b plus 1 multiplication c plus 1 multiplication d plus 1. Like this it will continue. What are these a, b, c, d? These are the power of prime number. Okay. So if n you can write as p power a, q power b, r power c, s power d. Here p, q, r, s are the prime number. A, b, c, d are the positive integers. Then number of divisor or factor of n equals to a plus 1 multiplied b plus 1 multiplied c plus 1, like this continue. So here 2014, that you can write as 2 multiplied 19 multiplied 53. 2014 divided by 2, it will be 1007. So then it is 19. Here it will be 53. So 2 power 1, 19 power 1, 53 power 1. These are the prime number. So number of factor will be 1 plus 1 multiplied 1 plus 1 multiplied 1 plus 1. It's 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. It will be 8. So for 2014, number of factors are 8. Similar type of question also asked in 2015. I already discussed this formula with some examples. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.